Hey guys, it's Jessa. Welcome back to another quick tip in Etsy. Today I'm in my brand new store and I'm going to show you where you can actually add an externally linking link, because Etsy, it's a little bit frugal with the links that you can add, but it does allow it. So you can't actually add it in your announcement. Unfortunately, nothing in your announcement will be clickable. But if you scroll all the way down, this area here, you can actually add clickable links to, which is really, really awesome. So I'm going to show you how to edit that. So go edit store and just scroll down there and hit edit, and you can just copy and paste your links in there. You can then save it and it will update and be clickable. You also have the option to add sort of some links just down here, so you can definitely add some links to your social media, your website, places like that. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, just a little quick win for you guys. I definitely love the feature of being able to add some sort of external links, because you can link to your lead magnet or other freebies, things like that. I hope this was really handy. If you like what you saw, this is actually part of a series, so I will add the link to the playlist just here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.